Hello children, it's Mrs. Hansraj here. Today the art task is inspired by artist Romero Burrito. So this is the kind of task I've given you. So he's a pop artist. I've attached few slides to the PowerPoint presentation which has the task and the video link which you can follow and make your task according to it. So for this work we have to start with drawing an outline of a shirt and then divide shirt into 8 parts. All these instructions are included in the slide and you have to number each portion, and then I've given prompts here. Follow the prompts given below and draw in bold and fill with bright colors to make a pop art in Romero Burrito style. So I have drawn a shirt. This is a simple outline of a shirt, and I have numbered them. So for example, this is the first one, says my favorite movie. So I want my favorite movie to be here. So I've numbered it here. So you have to plan out your work like this. Number 2 is my name. So I want my name to be here. So this is where I have marked number 2. And age, I wanted to be here. So I've put number 3 here. And self-portrait, I wanted it to be here, so I've marked 4 here. So I have planned my work and you can plan accordingly. So I will start my work, if you don't want to make a shirt, I have attached on the last slide there is a sample of hoodie and a football, so you can use either any of the designs you want. All right, so I will start my work now. Number 1, my favorite movie. This is where I wanted my favorite movie to be. So what you can do is either you write your favorite movie in bold, in bubble letter, and then you can draw patterns in the background, and you can color it and make it as a pop art. And there are many samples which I have attached in the PowerPoint. So I start my work. My favorite movie is Wonder. So I will write Wonder here. I'll draw 1 or 2 for you and then you can follow. And then I will be drawing the background here, which I will do directly with the marker. Today for this artwork I'm going to use markers to fill it in with patterns, and I will do my bubble writing also with markers. But then it's up to you, whatever medium you want to use at home. You can use color pencils, you can use crayons, oil pastels, paints, whatever you feel like. For number 2, I have named number 2 here, and number 2 says my name. So I will have my name. You can write any way you want. So I've just randomly written, I'm doing my work in front of you. You can design, add patterns to it, design it yourself how you want it to be. All right, for number 4, it's self-portrait. So you can, I need to draw this. You can do it on your own, like a cartoon sketch or any self-portrait, any kind you want. I just randomly draw something so you know that there is something here. This was just to give you an idea. And for number 5, I have my favorite football team. So I support Manchester United. So I will draw a logo here. I don't want to write the whole Manchester United in bubble. I wanted a logo to be here. So see, you can, if you have a particular movie and you don't have to write the name of the movie, you can draw a character of it. And if I say for favorite sport, so you don't have to write what your favorite sport, for example, if it's a football, you don't have to write football, you can draw a football. So this was just to give you an idea. This is a random logo I'm going to make. I'm doing it really quickly so you can carry on with your work. So you can add more details. This is just to give you a rough idea. So you can carry on, like number 3 says age. Okay, so I'll write so I've used numbers here, see? So it's your choice how you are doing your work. And number 7 is my favorite book. So you can draw a book and you can write a name, or you can come up with your own ideas. This was just to give you an idea. And once you have outlined it, then fill it inside and then draw patterns. There are a few ideas here at the background, what patterns you are going to use, and send your work on Class Dojo to get dojos for your artwork. Have fun. See you again soon.